Forging friendship. Ravi and Anand were once the best of friends. Their bond was the talk of the town. They shared laughter, dreams, and even the small joys and sorrows of life. They were inseparable, and their friendship was a source of inspiration to many. One fateful day, a misunderstanding arose. It started as a small miscommunication but quickly snowballed into a major conflict. Ravi believed Anand had betrayed him in a business deal, while Anand felt Ravi had unfairly accused him. Harsh words were exchanged, and trust, once so strong, shattered like glass. Months passed, and the friendship that once brought so much joy now festered with bitterness. They avoided each other. Their encounters filled with cold stares and unspoken resentment. The town, once uplifted by their camaraderie, now felt the weight of their animosity. One evening, as the sun dipped below the horizon, casting long shadows over the town, a wise old woman named Meera, known for her wisdom and compassion, approached Ravi. She had seen the toll the hatred had taken on both men and the community. She invited Ravi to her modest home, offering him tea and a listening ear. Ravi, burdened by his anger, poured out his heart to Meera, detailing the betrayal he felt and the hurt that gnawed at his soul. Meera listened patiently, her eyes reflecting a deep understanding. When Ravi finished, Meera handed him a small, smooth stone. "Carry this stone with you," she said softly. "Let it remind you of the weight of your anger." Perplexed but respectful, Ravi accepted the stone. As days turned into weeks, he felt its weight grow heavier, not physically, but emotionally. The constant reminder of his anger became unbearable. Finally, in desperation, Ravi returned to Meera. "This stone feels heavier with each passing day," he confessed. "I cannot carry it any longer." Meera nodded, her eyes gentle. "Hatred is like this stone, Ravi. The longer you hold on to it, the heavier it becomes. It burdens your heart and clouds your mind." Ravi felt a deep shift within. He realized that his hatred for Anand was not only hurting his old friend but also consuming him. With Meera's guidance, he decided to confront Anand, not with accusations, but with a desire for understanding and reconciliation. When Ravi approached Anand, he found a man equally burdened by the weight of their feud. They spoke, at first hesitantly, but soon the words flowed, and the air cleared. Misunderstandings were addressed, apologies were made, and slowly, the bonds of friendship began to mend. Their reconciliation not only healed their hearts, but also brought a renewed sense of harmony to the town. Ravi and Anand learned that true strength lay not in holding on to hatred, but in the courage to forgive and move forward. And in letting go of their animosity, they rediscovered the profound joy and peace of their once unbreakable friendship.